Hi there, my name is Jeffrey. Today I present to you Stock Screener 9.3. This website analyzes over 30,000 stocks in the CRSP U.S. Total Market Index by 8 different metrics, including market cap, current ratio, and book value. These metrics are defined by the user, and using this stock screener, the user can filter down thousands of stocks with just a few clicks. But how does it work? Well, let's check it out. So this website is made for investors who are new to investing. I made sure that the stock screener is easy to use and visually appealing. Let's get started. So on the left we have the criteria, and on the right we have the number of stocks that meet our criteria. To select large cap companies that have a current ratio of 2, click large cap and enter 2. If you want companies that have been profitable for a decade, drag that slider all the way to the right. As you can see, that number has decreased from 3,000 something to only 92. It has turned green. If you hover over the criteria, we can get a tooltip on the left which explains what the criteria means. Let's find the stocks. So here it appears in the table. This allows us to sort it and compare it. So if we want larger companies, we can sort by market cap. If we want undervalued companies, we can sort by PE ratio. On the top we have a navigation bar. To the left, if you click it, you go straight to home. And if you click about, you go to about page, feedback to a Google form that asks for feedback. Let's go to about. So this page explains how it began and how the stock screener works. The next page explains the 7 criteria, what they are and what they mean. You also have a timeline which shows how the stock screener improved. 3.0 was the first website. You can see it's really basic. And then you have 9.1, which looks way better. So how does it really work? This program was made using Python and Flask. The website itself was made using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. This program first needs data. It gets this data using a Python module called Beautiful Soup, and it stores that data in a SQLite database called stocks.db. When the user submits a form, it goes straight back to the server, where the Python file checks the database and sees what stocks have passed all those criteria. And it returns that in the form of a table using data tables. So now you know how the stock screener works. By using Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, we can make a stock screener that's well designed, easy to use, and extremely useful. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.